see you? Delala forgot her bag, so we have to go back. Why did you went like that? I'm getting a burger. And I'm getting this yogurt so we can share. What are you getting?
Pizza and
Cheese sticks. And so we're gonna go pay and eat in the car, and then we'll be back with our makeup tutorial. Yeah, we just arrived.
We're at the tournament.
I have such a good sleep, bruh.
Me too.
Girl, me too. I got this picture of you sleeping. I have a picture of you too. Hi, y'all.
Hi.
This is Michaela.
I'm Michaela.
Who are you?
Angel. Hi.
Who are you?
Eva.
I look messy right now.
Natalie. You guys, why are we acting so awkward?
Hello.
Hi.
Me and Liz are walking to. Me and Liz are walking to. This is Mother's shop. What's the shop called?
I don't know.
Okay.
Hmong clothes.
Hmong clothes.
Wait, that's a lot. Let's cut it down. Hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just try that. Here, ready? Wait.
Oh.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
We've been filming. We keep forgetting to vlog. We're kind of standing in the middle of the street. We probably walk. No, bro, they were like, that was a bad angle for you. Yeah, this is Eva's place.
That's my cousin's.
This is. Hi. So we're just gonna get some food right now, and we're gonna pay for it. Yeah, we're waiting.
We're done dancing already.
We would, but surprisingly.
We got crop charms.
Yeah, we got new matching
She
crop
got 2
charms.
and I got 1, but one of them is a matching like crop charm. Okay, we'll show you guys.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah, so a unicorn, a little plushie.
Do you want to use all of them, or just like 2 or 1? Let's use
All of them.
Okay.
Okay.
Why
It's something from all of us, okay? All of us. Yeah. Okay, ready? It's a gift to you because you were feeling so nice. It's a gift from us to all to you. Yeah. Did you guys all picture? Don't cry. Did you guys all picture? If you want it back, you put it in. Yeah. Wait, what do you buy? I bought. We got it for you. That we're all supportive, okay? I am. Yeah, you did amazing. Thank you guys.
Yeah, we just watched Blazing Sapphire.
They were so good.
For real, like, I love them. Literally, no lies.
Hello.
We're watching volleyball. Oh, you can't even see it. Okay, so we're gonna go walk by the vendors. We just got done getting out of our clothes. Honestly, getting out of our clothes is the most comfiest part ever.
I lost 3 nails.
Yeah, she lost 3 nails. I lost all of my nails because I took them off. Yeah, guys, say hi. Yeah, we're walking to the vendors right now because we need something to do. Yeah, we just got done taking solo pictures. And I just killed an insect. It didn't do anything. We're leaving to the hotel. Day 1 is finished. How do you think we did? I don't know. Girl, literally. How do you think we did? Good. It was alright, I guess. Alyssa, how do you think we did?
We did good.
Eva, what about you? I was scared, but I think we did pretty well. How do you think we did?
I think we did good.
Yes, as we should. We finished with competition. First day we finished. Everybody was a little bit a wreck after. We definitely had some tears What'd you get?
Fan for the first time in forever.
Yeah, she's been like stealing my fan.
No, I haven't. I'm not. It's true. I haven't.
Alright, why are you saying so straight? Okay, goodbye. Talk to you next time. I'm gonna do that in the video. I'm not even gonna put some music. I'm not gonna put no music after this. It's just gonna be you yelling at me.
We arrived at the hotel. We are low-key
Really tired.
Yeah. We're practicing.
We're going to the swimming pool. We're going swimming. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Wait, where are we gonna meet up? In our room.
Where did we
Text you. We'll text you.
Where did Bianca say to meet up? Well, I'll text her for mom.
Where did Bianca say to meet up? We're gonna have for dinner. Fire.
It's really cold. Does anybody have the key? Do you have the key? Is she in there? Oh, you're on! We just got back from swimming. I took a shower, but she didn't. We're spraying because they're fixing our outfits. We don't know whether we should whisper or not. Yeah, we going to McDonald's. Oh my god, they bluffing? Oh my god, they bluffing. Hello?
One can squeeze with them, and then three of y'all can squeeze with us. Y'all gonna laugh each other.
Girl, why y'all telling us last minute?
Fit check. This is from Self-Made. This is from Charlotte. This is from Walmart. These are from Crocs. Okay. Well, this is from Target. This is from Target. This is from Crocs.
Where you get the glasses?
And Pelican's Eagle Glasses Shop. They're really good. So America's best glasses.
Oh, got you.
Okay. So I got this from Costco. And I ordered this on Amazon. And I don't know where I got this.
Okay, what about the purse?
The purse, bras maybe.
Y'all hear? When we do Secret Santa, our friends need Crocs. They don't have Crocs.
Okay. Check.
These clothes are from clothes.
Oh. What about the bag?
The bag, I don't know where it's from. Amazon.
Okay. Fit check.
Hmong Fishing was
No, where is it from?
at Hmong Fishing.
Oh, the pants?
This is from Walmart.
The shoes?
Crocs.
Okay. What's that? Fit check.
You fit check.
I got the shirt.
Oh, the shirt was made by my aunt.
Uh-huh.
This, I forgot.
The bag?
That, it was from Five Below. Okay.
My mom's college t-shirt, Ross, and my mom's sandals.
Okay.
My mom's shirt, my mom's pants, and my brother's shoes.
Okay.
This top was from TJ Maxx. This sweatpants was from Dick's Sporting Goods, and then these ice sports was from Foot Locker. Nike. I don't know what these are.
Yeah, just sweats. Black sweats.
And white Crocs.
Okay.
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 I got the drip. It's the North Shore drip. It's from Hawaii.
Okay.
Yes, like,
The Crocs?
I got these shorts.
Oh, the shorts? Oh.
I got these shorts. They're Nike, but they're from my sister's closet.
Okay.
Oh my god. I lost all my Croc charms.
Okay. This is self-designed by NHQDA. This Target. My pants pulled. Kiss leg.
This is clips. This is video clips.
Those clips.
There's Alyssa. There's... Who's this? What the... There's that person. Why she laughed like that? She was trying to flash me. Wait, do this. Okay, no, never mind. I'm gonna do jumps. It's taking a while. Oh, that was bad. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear David. Happy birthday to you.
Make a
We went to the parking lot to get some pillows and blankets, and now we're gonna create cupcakes.
Period. 4:17. Eat it.
Yeah.
We're going to sleep. It's 9 o'clock and the other girls are sleeping on the couch bed. And yeah. So good night. Good night. Yeah, it's 2:30. We just want to go. Did you make it? It's 2:30 in the morning. I'm doing our makeup. And then the other two are getting ready. And I'm so dehydrated. Getting ready. Stretch it. Milwaukee, say hi to the vlog. Hi. Okay, you look so tired. I'm tired. I woke up at 11:30 and I thought it was almost 3, and so I stayed up until I picked up the clock. I got really mad.
How long did you stay up?
I didn't stay for too long. About 5 minutes.
Say hi.
You still got your lipstick on, girl.
It's pretty.
No.
Enjoy.
Oh my gosh.
We woke up at 3.
Girl, I woke up at 1.
Girl.
Are you tired, Liz? I'm gonna go sleep. What? Dida do dida. We're eating breakfast right now. And it's like 6:50 and breakfast is at 7 and we are literally starving.
Would you like to join them?
We arrived at the, what is it, a tournament?
Yes.
A tournament and we're getting ready to do everything. What time is it? It is 8 o'clock. It's 1 more hour until we dance. We're dancing so early. No, we just got done performing!
Yeah, Miss Girl.
How do you think we did?
We kinda partially ate. Partially? Yum and kimchi fries. This girl and Liz ran away, and we have to stay here just in case there's a tie. It's freezing out here.
I hope there's a tie so we can redeem ourselves.
I kind of hope there's not a tie, because I don't want to.
How do you think we did? We did extra. Oh my god, my hat.
Yeah.
Confident? 100%? Are you lying to them?
There might
No.
be a tie. And then we'll have to dance again. They're announcing later, but they're just calculating to make sure there's not a tie. Because if there's a tie in their group, then they'll confuse what happens.
Huh?
What?
How do you think we did?
I think they go right after. Oh, they're calculating now. Right.
It's gonna be empty.
Guys, look cute. There might be a tie. Kind of scared. We kind of scared.
It's Athena.
So, we're bored, so we have nothing to do. So, we honestly are just going to take a nap. We love taking naps.
This is Anna. That over there is Liz. Over there is Natalie. That's Jency. That's Ari. And that's Akira. And that's Kaylin. She sleeps with her eye open. Why you so
Dancing is all over. And, yeah, I'm excited to see the results.
You're making me laugh. I drank spotted bubble. She drank spotted bubble.
Got Sachina today?
What? You're right, so that was a dude. You're supposed to eat this. Anna!
Stop. Can I borrow a fork? No.
No.
No, Anna! Anna! Okay guys, there's a tie between Hmong and Blazing Sapphires. So they have to go again. Yeah, so we'll see who wins. I'm cheering for both of them.
Because Lemon one's outfit. Wait, which one was Blazing Sapphire?
Blazing Sapphire is that one right there. Yeah.
I
didn't see the dance. Oh my god, jinx.
Oh yeah, Naka and Jelena.
Oh, not gonna win. Are you okay?
Yeah.
In first place, your Patun Tsai Monabe Huwa. Ntxhais Ntsa Iab!
Congratulations! Ntxhais Ntsa Iab, first place!
Many tears have been we jumped so high and